Hello everyone. In today's video, we are tackling a simple yet important task, that is changing the air filter in the TVS Ronin. This marks our second DIY video, and if you are new here, I have also got an oil changing guide you can check out after this video. An air filter is a guardian for your engine. It blocks out all the bad stuff in the air and keeping your engine healthy. By taking care of your air filter, you are helping your bike perform its best. TVS suggests changing your air filter for every 12,000 kilometers. To get started, grab a star head screwdriver and a 8mm T-socket or enclosed spanner. We are kicking things off by removing the left side panel. Use that 8mm spanner to unscrew the two bolts which helps top and bottom panel to hold on to each other with the frame. Next, let's pop off the seat to access the screw holding the side panel. You will find that the right side of the side panel is secured to frame with a screw. Unscrew it using a star head screwdriver. Gently pull out the left side of the panel and slide it down to remove it. After removing the panel, you will notice that the air filter cover has two screws on one side and a locking mechanism on the other. Use a star head screwdriver to unscrew them. Next, remove the lid covering the air inlet and take out the OBD socket from the air filter cover. Now, gently pull off the cover and you will find the air filter covered in dust and debris. Gently remove the filter from its housing. If you see any dust on the housing, give it a quick clean using a microfiber cloth. Be cautious while cleaning the housing, as dust and debris could potentially enter into the engine. Once the air filter housing is clean, proceed to install a new air filter. I picked up this new air filter from the TVS service center. Take a look at the difference between the new and the old filters. Regular maintenance like this keeps your engine healthy. Now, gently push the new air filter into the housing. Also, clean the air filter cover inside and out with a microfiber cloth. Now, let's reattach the cover to the housing. You will notice two slots where the air filter cover slides in. Gently push the cover into these slots and screw it back onto the housing. Also, insert the lid back to its place. Now it's time to reinstall the side panel. Insert the right side of the panel into the frame and push the left side of the panel into the designated hole. And screw the panel back onto the frame. Insert the bottom panel into its slot and tighten the bolts with an 8mm spanner. Slide the seat back into its place. And there you have it, a quick air filter change for your TVS Ronin. Your bike can now breathe easy and enjoy smoother rides. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next video.